In this video, I'll show you how to reorder fields in Salesforce CRM step by step. To begin, navigate to salesforce.com and make sure you're logged in to your Salesforce account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Open Advanced Setup. Next, go to Object Manager and select the object whose fields you want to reorder. This could be an account, contact, opportunity, or any other object. The process is the same for all of them. After opening the object, click on Page Layouts from the left sidebar. Now, choose the page layout you want to modify or create a new one if needed. If you're creating a new layout, enter a name for it before proceeding. In the Page Layout Editor, simply drag and drop the fields into the order you want. You can also rearrange sections to better organize the page layout for your users. Once you're satisfied with the new field order, click Save to apply your changes. And that's how you can reorder fields in Salesforce CRM.